Hi everybody, it's Hey Jon. I jabber opportunities nonstop. And today is June 9th, 2021. Let's see, what is AMC doing? Well, currently it's opening at about, let's see, the open price is at 52.20 and it's currently at 50.34. So today we're seeing a sell-off. That is no bueno for the bulls. Okay, we are still continuing a sell-off for AMC in the market open here. The pre-market dipped down and now we're still coming down and we're selling down very hard. Look at that. Wow, that is no good. If you're an AMC bull, this is definitely not what you want to see. That's for sure. That is for sure. It's unfortunate that AMC is pulling back, but you know, it be what it be, right? For the most part. Let's see Dogecoin. Let's see what is Dogecoin doing. Well, today is 6/9/2021, and everyone is saying today's a special day because it's 6/9 here, right? It's supposed to mean something. And currently, Dogecoin isn't doing a whole bunch. It's pretty much trading at the lower range, and it's trading sideways. So far, 6/9/2021 seems like a bust for Dogecoin. This seems similar and in line with, you know, 420, right? 420 was a big deal, April 20th. And guess when that day dropped, we just did nothing and we pretty much sank the whole day. So is Dogecoin gonna repeat at 420? Nobody knows, but so far it sure looks that way though. But the truth is though, when people mention, when people mention to me about 6/9 a few days ago, etc. I was saying, you know what, folks, don't worry about it. It's probably gonna be nothing. It's probably just, you know, rumors. So yeah. I already told you guys already, you know. I already told you guys when you brought up a few days or weeks ago. I was like, don't worry, guys. It's probably gonna be nothing. It's gonna be overhyped, just like everything else in life. And honestly, I wouldn't give it much credence. I mean, of course the day's still young, and Dogecoin can still go to the moon, right? I'm just saying that I don't think it's very likely. I mean, could it happen? Absolutely could happen. AMC is sinking hard. Look at that. Oh my gosh, look at AMC. It is going down so hard. Wow. Yowza. Look at that. Yowza. Oof. Holy cow. That is holy cow, that is no bueno. Holy moly. Okay, AMC has saw a flash crash, right? All the way down to about 48.13, and now we're seeing a bounce. Could this be the reversal for AMC? Let's see if this could be a fake out shakeout, or is this a real, or is this a real shakeout here, right? We gotta wait and see. So currently we opened up at about 52.42, and we lost about $4 in about 6 minutes here. We saw a quick 5-minute flash crash, and now we're kind of bouncing now. Could this be the reversal? Could this be a dip you're looking for? Oh man, these are great questions and nobody knows, unfortunately. What's up, Dustin? Hey Jonathan, hey John, you called the headline shoulder line, bravo. Well, I've been doing TA for a very long time. When I called it out, everyone was saying, oh my god, you're crazy, you know, blah blah blah, you're copying other people. I was like, okay. You heard it here first. Once I called it out, you're gonna see other YouTubers copy my ish and take my works and take my credit for my work here. That's okay. That's okay. The whole point of me doing this, the whole point of me doing this is to share information with the retail traders. So it means that, you know, So if it means other YouTubers need to steal my work to get views so they can share the information with you guys and gals, I'm okay with that. I mean, it'd be great if they give me a shout out, you know, saying, hey, by the way, I saw this on YouTube's Hey Jon channel. I just want to give him a quick shout out here, and I'm using his work, you know. I would appreciate that. A little quote saying, hey man, I checked his work, but I'm gonna give him a quote. It's kind of like when you write a it's kind of like when you're in school and you write a paper, right? When you quote someone else's work, you give them credit for it though, right? But of course, these other greedy YouTubers, they don't do that though. They just take it and they go, it's mine, I thought of it. Okay, AMC is bouncing right now, okay? It's bouncing from about 48.13. Could this be the reversal? So far it looks like it. So far it looks like it. Looks great. Let's keep it going, folks. Let's keep it going. AMC is looking great now. We saw a flash crash. Now we're seeing a flash bounce. The only thing is that if AMC cannot bounce past 53, if AMC cannot bounce past 53.35, then AMC could have potential problems here. But of course, it's just a morning right now, and anything can happen, right? The rest of the day is still very, very young. But the thing is that we were trading well, the thing is, during the pre-market trading here, AMC was trading a lot higher in the range, and now it's trading below that range. So I would say for AMC, 51.15, okay? 51.15 is going to be a resistance, all right? So unless I see AMC go through 51.15, I'm going to say it's a resistance, and AMC, if it gets rejected off of that, that means that they may see more potential downside. Of course, I'm not trying to be bearish here on AMC. I'm just sharing with you guys what I see from a chart perspective here. So hopefully you guys take it for what it is and don't think I'm trying to create FUD here, okay? That's not my intention. I just share with everyone here the good, the bad, and the ugly. And unfortunately, it's currently ugly right now. But overall for AMC, it's extremely bullish because AMC is currently in an all-time high zone, which means they're in price discovery, which means nobody knows what's going on. Nobody knows how high or how low it'll go. Right now, it's all speculation, and you have to use temporary time frames to get support and resistance to get an idea of how you want to day trade this thing. Yes, I did say the word day trade because Dogecoin is, I'm sorry, AMC is definitely not an investment right now. If you're buying at this price up here, you're not investing here. You are day trading. All right. I mean, if you want to, you can invest here. You want, but just saying. Usually at all-time highs, people don't really invest there. They look for a dip somewhere, you know. Okay. So Dogecoin is trading down, just as expected, because I was saying 6.9 is gonna be lackluster, just like 420. It is just another hype day in my opinion, so nothing to be too concerned about. AMC is still dipping down and pulling back. Okay, if AMC can break down below 48.13, then that means AMC could see a lower low in the day, which means that we can pull back even further for AMC. So definitely things to watch out for and to be aware of. Oh, I wonder, did AMC halt trading? I don't think so here, right? I don't see much volatility right now. I mean, there's volatility, but I don't see that much of it though. Okay, it is trading. You know what? AMC is just trading very, very slow. That's what it was. AMC was being a little sluggish. I was like, what's going on, man? there wasn't a halt though. It's just very sluggish. Do I wonder, for folks currently in the live stream, are you still holding your AMC shares? Just wondering. Please share if you are. Yes, no, maybe so. That'd be perfect. Thank you so much. Okay, cool. And if you are holding AMC still, how long are you holding it for? Until you see what, 100 bucks, 200 bucks, $1,000? What is it? How far are you guys holding to anyways? What is your target prices, you know? Is it for fun? Is it to make lots of money? What's the purpose of you holding AMC? Is it because of the movement? 72 bucks? Okay, that's fair. I think 72 bucks is possible, but that's about a 40 that's about a 50% increase from right now. So yep, 70 bucks, right? That's definitely 70 bucks is about a 50% increase from now. So I mean, is that possible? Sure, very possible. $100K, that's funny. 100K, I don't know what that one. I mean, but you know what? Everything is possible, right? So, all right, AMC is showing some consolidation here. AMC is showing some consolidation. This could be the consolidation for the move up here. That's pretty cool. Dogecoin is still pulling back. Let's see if there's any AMC news today real quick. Let me see, folks. Any AMC news? Let's see here. Investors may own GameStop and AMC without even realizing it. 2 traders on the risk and rewards. Let's see here. Investors may unwittingly have exposure to GameStop and AMC. Those two, the poster children of the retail trader and Reddit movement, are among the largest components in the IWM Russell 2000 ETF. GameStop has been a large contributor to the XRT retail ETF, 49% gains this year. Okay. AMC and GameStop's outperformance this year have helped these ETFs on the way up, but with so much volatility surrounding them, it also presents risk. Okay. Very interesting. So what they're saying is essentially that AMC and GME are currently in ETFs, and an ETF is a diversified portfolio where they have a myriad of stocks. So this means that people may already have GME and AMC in their 401ks, assuming they buy these ETFs, right? And that means that they're also actually investing into AMC as well, inadvertently, because ETFs every month they buy it. Okie dokie. So we're seeing AMC trading a range here from about 48.50 to about 50.50. So a $2 range. That's no bueno, but we should see what happens though. So let's see if we can break 50.50. If we can do that, then we can see we can see the price rise higher here. Saifullah, hit that like Doge Army. This channel is awesome. I can't be half wrong. Elon Musk follows Hey Jon on Twitter. Hey, fantastic. Fantastic. Elon Musk follows me. Fantastic. I love that. Yes, folks, go ahead and smash that subscribe, hit the like button, right? Show me some love and support my channel, please. Let's have YouTube, you know, help me out here. Let's see. Okay. What do I think of the Wendy's stock? I don't know. I don't really think much about it. It's a fast food joint. I mean, I don't know. I mean, what about Wendy's? What's so special about it? You know, I haven't looked at a chart for a while, so I don't know what it looks like. But in terms of the market here, I mean, Wendy's is kind of whatever. There's nothing special about it. Just another fast food joint. Blackberry, well, I definitely do not believe in a Blackberry business model. I believe now they are in. I think they are now selling like their privacy chatting stuff. I believe Blackberry is selling their privacy chatting stuff, kind of like back then with the Blackberry cell phones, we kind of chat with each other, and you kind of have that encryption. But beyond that, though, I don't know what else they're doing. Obviously, their cell phone business is down and gone for the most part. So I mean, I couldn't tell you too much about the fundamentals for Blackberry, but I don't think they're doing a whole lot either. And in my opinion, they're not. They're kind of and in my opinion, Blackberry is a relic of the past. They're not doing too much to reinvent themselves. But the thing is that when you're seeing all this hacking, you know, all this exploitation of the gas industry, you know, how these I don't know, people are saying these Russian hackers, I quote it because I don't really know who they are, but they're saying these Russian hackers here, right? They're hacking, like, you know, large networks here. The gas pipeline that was extorted. You're seeing all kinds of things being hacked nowadays. So maybe Blackberry could come back, right, with their security and encryption kind of stuff right there, and their encryption technology. That could be a good play for the future, but then you're assuming people will flock to Blackberry and say, hey man, we want your technology, please sell it to us for any price you want to give it to us for, because you're the only game in town. But the truth is, they're not the only game in town. there are plenty of competition now. So I mean, Blackberry does have a name for itself, so I suppose that's how they stand out. But at the same token, their name may be a detriment to themselves because the name is now tarnished, right? Because of their sinking or failed cell phone division. So it's kind of like a double-edged sword. You know me, but you know me for the wrong reasons. Back then, it was you know me for the good reasons. So just one of those things, right? I mean, just one of those things here. It really depends on your perspective on Blackberry of where you stand. But from where I stand currently, fundamentally, I don't see too much going on. But chart-wise, they're doing pretty well. I believe they're up maybe about, I think, 100% this year. I believe. Don't quote me on that though. Don't quote me on that. I'm doing it based off of memory, so. So that's pretty much what it is, you know. Oh, by the way, so AMC is still trading in a range. It is still trading in a range from 48.50 up to about 50.50 there, okay? That is a trading range. So if it breaks 50.50 or 48.50, then you know either it's going up or it's going down. So we gotta watch and see where it breaks up or breaks down into. That is gonna be the key pivotal point. But currently 48.50, anywhere around there, it looks like a dip buying opportunity, and people are trying to buy it, and we are seeing a nice bounce due to that fact. So let's keep it going. All right, Dogecoin is still in a lull. I'm seeing more bearish signs for Dogecoin, unfortunately. And just for perspective here, even though I'm seeing negative stuff for Dogecoin on the charts, it hasn't it hasn't shaken me in one bit here, right? My belief in Dogecoin is still unwavered. I'm still holding every single Dogecoin I have. I haven't sold anything, and I do not plan on selling anything because I told everyone here, for me, Dogecoin is moon or bust. So I don't care where it goes. I'm waiting until I see what it does. And for me, I'm a long-term Dogecoin investor. So for me, all I believe totally 100% in Dogecoin. I believe in Elon Musk. I believe in Mark Cuban. I believe in the Dogecoin developers. So for me, Dogecoin is a no-brainer. I will continue to buy dips, and then eventually it'll go up. That's my belief. Obviously, I can't prove it to you, right? Because it's a personal belief. But I am a true believer in Dogecoin because the Dogecoin community is the best community. Let's see here. AMC is still trading in a range of 48.50 to 52.50 here. I'm sorry, 48.50 to 50.50. So we're definitely seeing some. So we're definitely seeing some range trading right now for AMC. This means we're seeing indecision here, and this means that AMC doesn't know if it wants to pop up or pop down here. But currently, though, the longer it trades here in this range and doesn't break up, it's more than likely to break down, in my opinion, because this means that the longer you trade in this lower range here, it just tells me that the bulls are losing control and they're losing their faith in AMC. So more than likely they'll pull back and below 48.50. I understand if you're an ape, right, or you're a simp and you're an AMC, you don't want to hear that. But you know, I'm here to give you the good, bad, the ugly. I'm not here to hype you up. I'm not here to pump you up. I'm not here to fear you, to make you sell either. I'm just here to give you honest technical analysis, and that's kind of what I do. Obviously, when I say things that are bearish here, it's against popular belief, and of course, I mean that'll probably get and that'll probably mean I get less views and less likes and less subscribes. But at the end of the day, I have to do the truth here, and the honesty is the best policy. So hopefully you can appreciate that and still subscribe and still like, because I don't control the charts. I just read what I see here, and I share with all of you what I see, and I interpret it using some fundamentals as well. Okay, so as you can see, currently we're at 48.94, and we are edging closer towards 48.50. So AMC is showing a different pattern today, right? In a pre-market, they're trading in a higher range, and then when the market opened, they got dumped on and it sold off real quick, and you saw a quick little bounce. And now it's trading in a range, but in the lower range. So that is no bueno if you're an AMC bull. But on the bright side, anywhere around 40.50, looks like the bulls are buying it up though for a dip. So let's see if they can continue it though. The only issue with that is that even though they buy 40.50 and it bounces, right, each bounce from 40.50, it subsequently is getting smaller and smaller, these bounces here. So just things to be aware of and to make sure you watch out for. Currently, Dogecoin is still trading in a lower range here. And I was saying I'm 6'9", it's going to be a bust, just like 420. Everyone hyped it up because I guess 6'9" and 420 are the words of Dogecoin people. I mean, they're fun numbers and fun words, you know, but in terms of Dogecoin price appreciation due to that, I don't see it though. I don't see any real catalyst. You know, I just see a bunch of people on Reddit and social media, you know, on Twitter saying, "Hey, this is super awesome and super fun." But obviously, these folks here aren't the market movers. They aren't the whales, right? Most of them are retail traders, such as you and I, and unfortunately, we do not control the markets. So I'll leave it at that. Warren Buffett is going in on crypto, huh? Is he? At Kevin Yang, you need to do your own due diligence for options. I don't encourage people to buy options, so I will not be giving any advice on option plays. I mean, it could happen though, right? I mean, I don't know, because basically you're saying in August or September, it's gonna go to the moon. I mean, you are saying, hey John, can you predict the future with your crystal ball? And unfortunately, my crystal ball doesn't say anything about that far ahead, so I can't tell you. Sorry. But of course, like Kevin Yang, if you believe it, go for it, right? It's up to you, man. Up to you. Okay, so AMC is still trading in the lower range here. Each bounce off of 48.50 is subsequently lower. So to me, it looks like we may test 40.50 again and see another bounce, but the bounce will be lower. And when that happens, we'll probably see AMC break down further and pull back below 48.50. Obviously, that may or may not happen, but we have to watch and see for now because it's still the market open, it's still lively, and we have to exercise some patience. Dogecoin is currently trading a range from 32.60 up to about 32.80 right there. It's a very narrow range, and you know, not doing a whole lot right now. Oh, Cathy Wood, yeah. Cathy Wood is definitely the genius trader for today, right? Everybody likes Cathy Wood all of a sudden. I think she's a phenomenal trader too as well, so I have no problem with her whatsoever. Okay, so AMC is showing some strength here, finally. Okay, now AMC is showing some bullish tendencies. Again, if AMC can break 50.50, that means they will see a nice push. If AMC can break 50.50, that means you will see a nice price appreciation to the upside here. So let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, all right. See, oh yes, this is fantastic. Okay, so AMC is now above 50.50. Now I believe we're gonna see a nice price appreciation to the upside here. Check it out, folks. Check it out, folks. This is fantastic here, right? Didn't I call it out? I said if AMC can break 50.50, they're gonna see a nice price appreciation to the upside. And guess what? They saw a 50-cent move from a huge green candlestick. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's do this thing. Let's do this thing. Yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir. All right, so let's see here, what I see here. Okay, so AMC can break above 52.37. They will continue the next price appreciation to the upside here, okay? So I will go ahead and be ending the live stream because I just want to cover the market open for AMC so you know where to watch, all right? 53.70 something around there. So if AMC can break that, they're gonna see a more higher price appreciation to the upside here. So if you are new, please make sure you subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell so when I go live, you get these hits. And later today in the evening, I will be giving a follow-up video on my technicals on AMC and Dogecoin, etc. So I will catch you guys all in the next one. Take care.